Your husband is enjoying it.
Yes, he is.
You, I really enjoy it. Okay, come to think of it. Think of it. What are you doing with this video? Huh? What is this?
Anyways, I just like the feeling of being married.
You just like the feeling of being married. To an old man. Didn't you see the younger guys and young boys there and go for them like me? You're going for that old man.
See, the old man will soon go.
Eh?
Can't you see how old and old is?
I will soon die. What is this?
Old man will soon go.
Yes, now he's old, he's grey already. So why should I be staying married when I can live my life? He will leave me soon, and I'll become a widow. So I'll live my life.
Hey, look at you. You are saying that you will soon die, you will be a widow. What are you saying? Don't you know that old men like those people, they use young ladies like you for blood renewal?
Not my blood.
It will shock you.
It's not my blood.
Okay.
I think. Hello, Chief.
Hello, my beautiful wife. How are you?
I'm fine, Chief.
I just called to see if everything is going on well in the house.
Yeah, everything is fine.
And what about our house help? I hope it's behaving.
Yeah. Good for nothing guy. I sent him to the market, so I don't know where he is right now. Probably at the market.
Anyway, like I said, I just called to check on you if everything is okay. I will see you later.
Okay, I'll see you too. She was calling me.
Hey. Okay. See the cheeky idiot. Eh? Don't worry, two can play the game. Yes, two can play the game. I call this meeting because of what has been happening in this house.
What has been happening, Chief?
I am not here for any long or small talks.
Sir, don't you like the way I used to cook the food?
Yeah, Mr. Man, keep quiet. We have the time to talk later. Let me introduce Steph baby here. My new wife.
New wife?
Exactly. You heard me very well. My new wife.
Chief, how will you go and bring a new wife into this house now? So we've not even finished getting married. You are bringing this one to this house. I can't share you with anybody, and I don't want trouble in this house.
You can't share me with anyone. Did I hear you very well? What is the escapade that has been going on between you and this idiot here?
Ma, would you like a hot water or cook?
Yes, be quiet.
Escapade.
Answer me. Yes, the escapades that has been going on between you and this idiot that I brought from the gutter just to help him to secure a job to be able to feed his family.
Chief, I don't know what you're talking about. Though. This one is an accusation. You can't be accusing me wrongly.
So what is the escapade?
What is the escapade? Escapade, my dear, come in. Escapade is used to describe when an idiot like you is eating from the same pot with somebody like me. Yes.
Sir, I've never used your spoon or your plate to eat before.
You have never used my spoon or plate to eat before?
Never.
But you don't know that my wife here is like a plate to me. Haven't you been eating from her?
No.
Chief, we don't know what you're talking about now. This one is a wrong accusation.
It is a wrong accusation. Like I said, I'm not here for small talks. You understand? See, I don't want to waste time showing you what has been going on because I have seen so much that my eyes are so heavy with tears. But that one is gone. The two of you have no place in this house again. Yes. The two of you have no place in this house again.
Chief, you don't do anything, no.
Why would I do such a thing with your madam? Me? Never. I have never tried it. I will never try it. I can never do it.
Even me, I don't even know with this one, this thing.
Okay.
Why are you accusing us wrongly now?
Okay. Maybe I am seeing double.
Maybe.
Oddly, give me Konongo.
Sir, did you go to art this?
This is Konongo. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí òkété bá bálẹ̀ sọ nílẹ̀ ń gbọ́. Ọlásùn lọ́lá lórúkọ à ń pajé. Ọlásùn lọ́rọ̀ lórúkọ à ń pèsè ọ̀dàrà. Òjì ní kùtùkùtù bómi òwúrọ̀ bọ́jú lórúkọ à ń pè wọn ìyá mi òṣòròǹgà. You see, you have not been eating from our plate.
No, never.
You see, so what I will advise you now, think very well. You understand? Whatever happens to you here, adversely or otherwise, I won't be responsible. You see, if you know the two of you are clean, you hold the leg, you hold the head together. Oh yeah.
Okay.
But on you, I won't be responsible for anything bad that happens to you if you are lying and you hold this thing.
Okay. Since me, I don't used to eat from your plate. God sees me that ever since I've come into this house, it's from the kitchen that I used to eat, and I used to eat with another bowl. Maybe madam is only eating with your plate. Oh yeah, touch it first.
It's like something is wrong with your brain. Something is wrong with your upstairs. You hold this thing, John.
No, I don't used to eat from Oga's plate now. You just hold it.
You don't used to. Do I look like somebody that eats from his plate?
Yeah,
I'm waiting for both of you.
See, this thing, Oga, see, madam touch this thing now.
If you don't touch it now, I will slap you.
What have I done now? See, Oga, I'm like, I don't used to. I put something on fire.
I will advise both of you to leave now. Idiots. My dear, you see the house you are coming into? No? You see the house you are coming into? I am an old man now. You understand? I have money. You are going to enjoy old man's money. You also have to enjoy old man's thing.
Anything to worry about.
Okay then.
I'm getting care of it.
What I want, more than any other thing, is peace of mind.
Not anything to worry about. I'm getting care of it.
Thank you very much. Just give me peace of mind, and both of us shall live forever.
It's true.
Yeah, you are welcome to my house.